This is the moon on Thursday or Friday, October 17th or 18th, and I'm recording it because I saw the full moon I saw the moon Friday morning when I got out of my truck at work at 9 o'clock, and it was a half a moon with half missing on the right side, not this crescent moon that's been here forever, over a month. So I'm recording it. Red, white, and blue, peppermint stripes, and the ocean. And all the little ocean creatures are the stars. Yeah. 6 upside down is 9, best performances. 32 backwards is 23, which is 3 plus 2 is 5, which is V, which is the 5, which is the invaders. Just making some notes. And these are the quote unquote beautiful people of the world. And this lady here, Maleficent, goes back to Greek mythology of Eris and the apple and Paris and the Trojan War. There is an original story. And this goes with the hole in the wall. Another hole in the wall, vents, portal, picture, demon, and twins. All goes together. The background here on Lady Gaga. WVV. Okay, so this goes with the movie The Eye that I just read about on Wikipedia.
Legalization in the United States. 7 states all had legalization initiatives appearing on local and statewide ballots in the midterm elections. Why is this so important to know about? Frankly, I don't care about plant cultivation or use, but I sure do care about massive opportunities for forward-thinking investors. Financial experts.